intro. I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Shanahan Slime Lab. Today we're gonna be up. I was about to say testing. Taste testing.
Oh.
We're gonna be.
Don't put that in the video.
I'm gonna put that in.
We're gonna be reviewing our sixth slime from Dope Slimes. This is gonna be a 100% honest review. From playing with those slimes, my hands are soft for some reason. Anyways, let's dig into this.
And then just do the intro right there.
Cherry bomb!
The really good, like.
Look, this is the one that you wanted
Okay.
to try.
What is that? Okay, go.
Cherry bomb! Wait, I get the first sniff. Get
Why
away.
do you always get the first?
Yeah, why does he get
Because
its first sniff?
Let me see.
I don't like cherry though.
I'm
Listen.
not kidding. Not kidding. Not kidding. No.
It smells like a real cherry.
No.
Look at this dum dum.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Give me. Ooh.
That's pretty good.
Ooh. It's another clay slime.
Clay?
Feel that. Feel that right now. Do that. It's.
Take a taste test. Do not eat right at home.
Jacob's eating it.
Oh, stop.
We're gonna take you to the ER.
All right, wait. Swirl it.
Okay.
Like the
Jacob's attempt of swirling. That's so sad.
Oh,
It's
wow.
ugly.
How does this compare to the other ones?
Not better.
Not better, but really good.
Honestly, this one's not better than the other ones. I just really like that feel. It feels a little bit like that birthday, whatever.
So the texture
Yeah.
of this one's better?
Yeah, this
It's
one.
like pretty good?
This texture is so nice, but not as nice as that birthday clay one.
Yeah, quick.
It's like it's glue. It's still like the texture of glue.
Oh,
Not this one.
Trying to attempt to make the best swirl and I can't do it. There's slime on the camera.
You like my swirl?
I love it.
How do you
We
swirl?
love.
Where's their slime?
There was like a tiny piece. Where'd it go?
I did
Yeah, it was on my hand.
Oh.
I know.
What
Oh,
a beautiful
wow.
slime.
Okay, outro.
So, that was us reviewing
What is it?
Cherry Bomb.
Would you recommend it?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
pretty good actually.
I just don't like it like when it's
I don't-
when you first get it.
I don't
like,
dislike anything about it.
There's a little bit of wetness.
No.
Don't have that wetness.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified every single time we upload a video.